your hand, you need to raise your hand out for a family picture. Only mommy and daddy. Ready?
Baby, you give me ice and
wow, that was great. Okay, the ladies. Remember, friends, always wear a gloves when you hold a falcon, or eagle, or hawk, or a kite. You see, the trainer is also in your.
Hi friends, welcome to Kyle Home. இன்னைக்கு நாங்க வந்து கிரீக் பார்க் தான் வந்திருக்கோம். உள்ள வந்து டால்ஃபின் ஷோவும் பேர்ட்ஸ் ஷோவும் நடக்கும். அதுதான் பார்க்க போறோம். சரி வாங்க போலாம். நீங்க டால்ஃபின் ஷோ பார்க்கணும்னா கேட் நம்பர் 1க்கு வரணும். இது வந்து டிக்கெட் கவுண்டர். நாங்க கிரீக் பார்க்குள்ள வந்தாச்சு. டிக்கெட்டுக்காக நம்ம லைன்ல நிக்க தேவையில்லை. நோல் கார்டு இருந்ததுன்னா இதை காட்டி உள்ள வந்துடலாம். 5 திராம் வாங்குவாங்க. சரி வாங்க உள்ள போய் பார்க்கலாம். நீங்க டிக்கெட் எடுத்துட்டு உள்ள வந்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா வந்து சில்ட்ரன் சிட்டி இருக்கும். ரொம்ப பெரிய பார்க்கு. உள்ள போய் நல்லா சுத்தி பார்க்கலாம். அதே மாதிரி ரைட் சைடு போனீங்கன்னா டால்ஃபின் ஷோவும் பேர்ட் ஷோவும் நடக்கும். இது சில்ட்ரன் சிட்டின்னு போட்டிருக்காங்க. உள்ள வந்து ஒரு மியூசியம் இருக்கு பசங்களுக்காக தான். அந்த தள்ளி தெரியுது பாருங்க, அது வந்து துபாய் கிரீக்கு. இங்க பார்க் பாருங்க எவ்வளவு பச்சை பசேன்னு வச்சிருக்காங்க. பாலைவனத்துல எவ்வளவு சூப்பரா வச்சிருக்காங்க. நல்லா சூப்பரா மெயின்டைன் பண்றாங்க. இங்க பக்கத்திலே பாருங்க பார்பிக்யூ செஞ்சு சாப்பிடுறாங்க. இந்த பார்க்லயே பாருங்க அழகான பீச் சூப்பரா இருக்கு. காத்து எல்லாமே டால்ஃபின் ஷோ பாக்குறதுக்கு அதான் டிக்கெட் கவுண்டரு. ஒரு ஆளுக்கு வந்து 105 திராம் வாங்குறாங்க. அதே மாதிரி பேர்ட்ஸ் ஷோவும் இருக்கு. அதுக்கு வந்து 50 திராம் வாங்குவாங்க. ரெண்டு ஒரே வாட்டி வாங்கினீங்கன்னா பேர்ட்ஸ் ஷோல வந்து 35% டிஸ்கவுண்ட். ரெண்டு சேர்த்து வாங்கிக்கலாம். ஷோ டைமிங் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட். இதுல வந்து 3 டால்ஃபின் இருக்கு. 3 ஒரே இடத்துல இருக்கு பாருங்க. வாவ்.
bring the action. Happy birthday to her. She's 6 months old. Happy birthday to her. Hey, there's something wrong. Yes, I hope you are switched with maximum 5 members. That's right, I hope. Oh, he is, I think, butterfly. The falcons, dolphins, shopping.
வந்து நம்ம வந்தோடனே அந்த எல்இடி டிவி இருக்கு பெருசா, அதுல வந்து அந்த டால்ஃபின் பத்தி சொல்றாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறமா சீல் பத்தி கொஞ்சம் ஷோ நடக்கும், சீல் வச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறமா தான் டால்ஃபின் ஷோ நடக்கும். சூப்பரா இருந்து, நல்லா இருந்து. கண்டிப்பா வந்து பாருங்க. அடுத்தது வந்து பேர்ட் ஷோக்கு போறோம். இங்கதான் பேர்ட் ஷோ நடக்குது. இந்த பேர்ட் ஷோக்கு வந்து தனியா எடுத்தீங்கன்னா டிக்கெட் வந்து 50 திராம் வாங்குவாங்க. அதே நீங்க டால்ஃபின் ஷோக்கும் இதுக்கும் சேர்த்து எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 30% டிஸ்கவுண்ட் கொடுக்கறாங்க. பேர்ட் ஷோ கொத்திக்கு தான் டிஸ்கவுண்ட்.
Where we're going to meet birds around the world at Creek Park Bird Show exclusive. And here we go. Hello there everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. Привет. My name is Sid. That's my partner DJ Owen. Get your cameras rolling, but remember no flashlight, alright? We are about to meet the national bird of Brazil. Fire in the hole. They're going to come it up all the way. Look at them. They look small, but they are one of the fastest and one of the noisiest birds in the animals kingdom. Their names are Tom and Jerry, but the breed are Sunconians. Eyes in the two corners. Fatima and Sultan are coming out to say hello. This is Fatima. Assalamu alaikum. Sultan is Black Jet. Friends, Sultan is 7 years old. Fatima is mashallah 6 years old. They are happy. They are amazing. Go home. As you can see, girls are always late. Come on, princess, it's time to go home. Your friends are waiting that side. And now, it's time for the moment we're waiting for. Cameras ready. Someone is coming to raise the UAE flag. Yalla, let's do this. The second largest parrot, green wing, Rex. Okay, we got a W. It says award. We got E as in everybody in the world. We're going to take it together for the love. We're bringing the joy. We go with love and care. Awesome. All the way movement. We go, ooh, what goes around comes around. And we got letter M. It says, welcome everybody. Raise the flag, Yalla Habibi. One more, yes, salam. Let's give a big clap in everybody, Rex and Mariam. Thank you, Skippy. Woo! Aywa, keep it dancing up. Wisha. He knows the color, he knows the shape. Color circle, mango. The green is avocado. All right, let's keep rolling. The red is apple, octagon. We also have one more color, blue, square, blueberry. It's time to shake it some more. If you do this, mommy, daddy will be happy. Clean your own mess. Cleaning is very important, friends. Do not forget, after cleaning, what you do, you need to close the dustbin. What you need to tell people as respect.
Alright, Coco, say hello to everybody in Arabic.
Assalamualaikum. Walaikum salam to everybody. Hey Coco, what did Malin told you to ask everyone here?
Coco, ask everybody, how are you?
How are you? Alhamdulillah, we're good. When you wake up in the morning, what you have to tell people first thing?
Out in the morning.
Morning. Good morning. You know, we all have friends. He's got some friends too. Who's your best friend? The cat. One friend he don't like. Who eats all your food, Coco? The doggy. Hey, you are sitting on the balcony and then you see a beautiful lady walking. What do? Only kidding. All the kids have their birthday today. What you will sing to them?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to all of you. Alright, Coco. When you go home, what do you have to say to your friends?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Come on, everybody. Give it up and clap it. Merlin and the African Coco. Thank you. Come here. What's your name? Bilam, take one card. Pick it up. Don't show me. Okay, take one card. Don't show me. Friends, I have no idea what you have got. When I say 1, 2, 3, show everybody your card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, show everybody your card. I will turn around. Don't tell us what card they have got. We're going to take the card from the boy, put it back in the pack, and back. We're going to mix all the cards. Mix. Sit down. Friends, I will put the cards on the table without looking and without showing the birds a picture. DJ, do you think the bird is clever to pick up the right cards? Maybe. But if the bird picks up right, clap it up. Let's go, Jerry. Let's find out what card you have got. Mario, we're looking for 2 cards. I think it's a dinosaur, the first card. It's a macaw. What do you think, DJ? A doggy. And that's a cat. Oh, by the way, that's the dog's best friend. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go. Catch the ring with him. Okay, we're gonna do this. All right, lot coffee. We're gonna call tango. 1, 2, let's fly. Jamila. Good job. Thank you. Sit down. Next 2. Come on out. Together. Do this to fly to the joy. Mashallah. Come on, everybody. Give it up for the kids. Nice. Wow, that was great. Okay. Wow, that's awesome. Out here. Thank you so much. Alright, keep your eyes on me. We're gonna put some food. The bird gonna fly to my hand, just like this. We'll sit and eat the food. After, you need to close your palm. That's a sign for her to fly back to the trainer, like this. Come, Princess Ria. Now, how do you know the boy and the girl in them? It's very simple. It's by the size of the mouth. Close your hand. The small mouth is always the girl. The big mouth is always the boy. Here they like to catch small birds, insects, and all the way to go for it. Yes, that is awesome. After the show, you can also take a picture with them. You need to wear a gloves like this. You're gonna fly to your hand to take it up together. Remember, friends, always wear a gloves when you hold a falcon, an eagle, or a hawk, or a kite. You see, the trainer is also wearing gloves for his protection. The way they land, it can scratch a human hand. But wait a minute, I can smell something. Trainer Ronnie, what are you feeding her? KFC. Spicy or normal? Spicier. Let's clap it up, everybody. Thank you so much. On my left is Team Merlin. On my right is Team Maria. We will choose a team also. DJ, you and me. Okay, I will play Team Merlin. You will play Maria. Who wants to play with me and Merlin? Hands up. Wow, good choice. Who wants to play with Mariam and DJ? You will lose. 1, 2, go! Come on, faster, faster. Come on, my team. Come on, my team, faster. Woo! Clap it up, clap it up. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? It's a best of 3. Wow. DJ, why is your team so fast? What did it drink? Red Bull. You know, my team drink chai. That's why I like that. Clap it up, everybody. Thank you so much. So we're gonna swap the team now, swap the players. 1, 2, go. Come on, we're gonna run faster. Green, come on, let's go. Woo! Green wins. So 1, 1. Oh, green. Let's go, green. Let's go, green. Come on, green. Come on, green. Oh yes, oh yes. One more, one more. We win. We win. A bird will do painting. Mummies, you can help the kids to guess what the painting looks like. Shichufu. You have to tell me what do you think it looks like a flower. Yes. Let him paint. Like a rainbow, like a bird. I don't know. Alright? Let's go for it. For welcoming the cutest bird, John Picasso. You know, friends, John Picasso is a white silvery crisp cockatoo. He's famous in Australia, Brazil, Papua New Guinea, more and more places. How do you know the boy and a girl? Simple way. By the color of the eye. If the eye is black like him, it's known to be a boy. Red shaded, known to be a girl. By the way, everybody give a big clap into our trainer Merlin, because next week trainer Merlin is flying to Philippines to get married. Yes, that is good. Daddy in the maroon, you don't look happy, man. What's your name?
Jagan.
Jagan? Are you married? That's her face like this. I was telling Jagan, she's getting married next week. What is your one advice for her? That's your wife? Yeah, can you please tell her she also wants to know?
That you hubby travel single.
Let your husband... Huh? A bird. A butterfly. Okay, let's ask him what is this. Yes? Drawing who? Himself? Okay, let's ask him. John, is this yourself? No. Is this a rainbow? No. Is it a butterfly? No. Can you give us a clue? What is this? It's something jumping on the tree and
Monkey.
half what? Half bird, half monkey. What is half bird, half monkey?
Monkey.
Human? Hey, which human looks like half monkey, half bird, man? What are you talking? What? Who? Me. He's saying something. Can you ask him what is he saying? Half monkey, half parrot? Remove my cap. Hey, no. Stop it, John. Stop looking at me. I'm your friend. Don't tell everybody I look half monkey, half parrot to you. This is my face. We shall talk about this later. Come on, clap it up, everybody. But John, thank you so much. And how do you know the boy and the girl? It's by the length of the tail. Long tail is the boy, shorter tail is the girl in them. Now for me, everybody's important here. So don't forget, I'm trying to call every member from every family. Just try to be equal around so everybody gets a chance. These birds like to eat fruits, nuts, berries, watermelon, seeds. But today, what are they drinking? Apple juice. Whoa, I like apple juice. Did you like apple juice? With what? Apple juice and shawarma. Yeah? She looks like Princess Elsa. Yeah, come on everybody, clap your hands for Dalia. Everybody watch out for Miss Sana from India, and we're gonna call a bird from Brazil, Alibaba. He's gonna flop. He's gonna take the money. Salam alaikum, 200, and never ever coming back. Cut off! He's gone to India. He won back 500. Okay, come stand. Okay, she's saying I want back 500. Open your hand. It depends on Alibaba. 500, 1,000, it's all yours. When it drops it, you catch it, alright? 1, 2, go. Catch it. What's that? Catch it. Whoa, wait. I know this one. It's a gift voucher. Before 4 days, a lady got a same voucher. She got iPhone 14. I hope it's your lucky day, son. Now open it up and tell us what did you win. What says? Thank you so much for your donation. What? No, we're kidding. Open your hand. He will return the money. No, just the hand. All right, the money all the way. When he drops it, catch it. Everybody clap it up on this side. Thank you so much. Check your money, please. Thank you so much. The Raja, how are you? Yalla guys, Habibi, yalla ta. Let's go. We're gonna go one more station. All right, this is gonna go to Dubai Mall. We're going window shopping. That was awesome. He's gonna show you 4 paper. Tell me yes or no if your number is on his paper, all right? Don't show the board. Paper number 1 is your number there. Look nicely. All right, drop it up. It's yes. All right, let's go. Paper number 2. Look nicely. Is your number there? All right, drop it all the way. Okay, let's go. Paper number 3. Look nicely. Take your time. No? All right, drop it. I know the number. Number 4. Is your number there? What? No. Is your number from here? Sure, huh? I think you missed the last paper because it should be 3 no, 1 yes. Okay, don't show the board to us. I think it's a 1-digit guess. DJ, what is your 1-digit guess? It's number 9, DJ said. But I think you're wrong because it's number 3. No. Okay, don't show the board. Go far. Blue, can you help us? Is it 9 or is it 3? What's that? 2? Oh, he's going for 1 more. 12. No way. Show everybody the board. Where is the 12? Oh yes, everybody clap your hand. It's number 12. Wait. Miss Amna, do you want to know how did the bird find your number? You want to know? How many of you want to know how did the bird find the number? If I tell you from where? Where is camera behind it? If I tell you, the company will throw me outside. Sit down. Thank you so much, Amna. We appreciate it. Okay, in the middle. Let's call the blood. Blue. Let's go for a final with the ball. The boy. Coming up. Alright, he found it because I helped him. But this time you will mix the cup without showing anybody. So stand there. What's your name, buddy? Karthikeya, shuffle the cup. Don't show anybody where you ball. When you finish, brother, put 1 cup here, 1 cup there, 1 cup there. Alright, take back your seat. Now we don't know where's the ball. He's the one. Blue, go for it. He found it. Come on, everybody, give him the best all the way. The giant. Look at him, mashallah. That is Andrew the Giant, the largest seller sea eagle from Russia. You need to take a picture, you need to wear a glove, he will sit on your hand, you need to raise your hand up for a family picture. Only mommy and daddy can carry him because he's a bit heavy. Mashallah, he's so big, but that is only a small eagle till now, it's a baby. It's 6 years old, it can live up to 45 to 50 years of age. That's the only eagle species in Dubai, it's with us from Russia. Let's give a big clap to Veroni all the way. Thank you so much.
ஓகே ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நாங்கள் வந்து டால்ஃபின் ஷோவும் பேர்ட்ஸ் ஷோவும் பார்த்தாச்சு. டால்ஃபின் ஷோ வந்து சூப்பராக இருந்து, பேர்ட்ஸ் ஷோ வந்து நல்லா இருக்குது. ஆனால் பசங்க இருந்தால் இன்னும் ஜாலியாக என்ஜாய் பண்ணுவாங்க. அந்த பேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு பறக்கிறது எல்லாமே நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணலாம். ஈகிள் இருந்து ரொம்ப பெருசாக இருந்து நம்ம அதுக்கிட்ட ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்கணும்னா எடுத்துக்கலாம், அதுக்கு சார்ஜு. ஓகே, இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். அடுத்த வீடியோவில் சந்திக்கலாம். பாய்.